Now I am going to give the hints for the level B question. The first question is, there is a rhombus shaped land and the perimeter of the land is given as 400. Then rhombus has all four sides equal. So it is 100, 100, 100 and 100, and the diagonal is given as 120. Now it is divided between two people to do agriculture. What area is used you need to find, which means that you need to find the area of each triangle. But since it is a rhombus and the dimensions are same, if you use the Heron's formula and find the area for one triangle, the other triangle also measures the same. This is similar to the example 6, which is given in your NCERT text and for which I have sent a video also. Kindly refer to that. Coming to the 13th question, you need to find the area of a parallelogram. The parallelogram is A, B, C, D. The adjacent side, the next sides, the nearby sides, they measure 17 cm and 12 cm. See, I have drawn. And the diagonal AC is measured as 25. The first task is to find the area of the parallelogram ABCD. To find the area of the parallelogram, you can see the triangle with sides 12 cm, 17 cm and 25 cm. When you take this triangle also, it is same 12, 17 and 25. So, using Heron's formula, find the area of one triangle. Then when you multiply it by 2, you get the area of the parallelogram. Triangle area into 2 you have to do. Then it is given from the perpendicular line is drawn. What is the length of the perpendicular line is the question. Actually, we have already learned the area of parallelogram is base into height. So, when a height is drawn from here, can you see when the height is drawn from here, what is the base for that? 12 is the base. Already you will find the area. So that area is equal to 12 into height. From this, height will be this area divided by 12. You can find the altitude of the parallelogram. Coming to the 14th question, a floor design is there. It is made up of 4 similar triangles. The measurement of the triangle, one triangle is given. So when 3 sides are known, you will use Heron's formula. So, with that you will be able to find the area of one piece. So, what is the area of this design? The one piece area multiplied by 4 will give the area of the design. The question is, find the cost. The total area multiplied by cost will be the cost for the floor design. Here the cost is given as root 14. Don't take it as root 14. Find the value of root 14 approximately to 2 decimal place and then multiply. For the 15th question, there is a rhombus. The length of the rhombus is given as 300 meter and 160 meter. The question is to find the side, the measurement of the side and also the area of the rhombus. Now, when it is rhombus, let us recall the property of rhombus. Only the diagonals are given. What is the speciality? The diagonals of the rhombus will bisect at 90 degree. Bisect means each diagonal is divided into 2 equal parts at 90 degree. So this one, if this is 160, each part is 80. Similarly, if this is 300, each part is 150. Now, first we are going to find the side of this triangle. If this is 90 degree, then what is BC? First we will find here, okay. What is BC? Opposite to 90 degree, that side is called hypotenuse. So BC is 80 square plus 150 square root of. So when you do, it is 28900. What is the square root of 289? 17. What is the square root of 100? It is 10. So one side will measure 170 meter. If you are smart enough, then you should know 8, 15 and 17 will form Pythagorean triplet. So obviously 80, 150 and 170 will form the Pythagorean triplet. Now this is known as 170 meter. So What is the area of this triangular piece? Take the sides as 80, 150, 170. Use the Heron's formula. You will get the area of one triangle. All the 4 triangles are similar. So, area of one triangle piece into 4 will give the area of. Now, regarding level C, I am not going to give you any hint or solution. In this worksheet, level A and level B questions are mandatory for everyone to complete. Those who wish to complete level C question, that one question, please do it. Answer for this question will be shared on Monday. Thank you, children.